Turn the lights on.
We share something so common, still so rare, and I'm in awe. Never been here before. So high, we're still climbing, even here inside these walls, breaking each other's hearts, and we don't care, cause we're so in too deep. Can't think about giving it up, but I never knew love would feel like a heart attack. It's killing me, swear I never cried so much, cause I never knew love would hurt this bad. The worst pain I ever had. Never knew love would hurt this bad. The worst pain that I ever had. All the times when I know I should be smiling seem to be the time that I frown the most. Oh.